Hello guys, this is my MACBOOK M2 Pro 14 inches. For some reason I don't know, it is not turning on. It is not turning on. The power button is not working. And the touchpad is locked. It is not clickable. I don't know the issue. While updating the new OS, it got stuck. And also it is not taking any charge. The service center said me that initially it was the Mac OS problem, but now they are referring that it is a logic board problem, and it is costing me around 60,000 rupees, and it is just 1.5-year-old MacBook. And before 3 months I also replaced its battery, but that was under warranty. It's now out of warranty, and suddenly it got stuck on black screen. There was some time I used to see the logo, but now it is not taking any charge, so I don't know it is discharged or the battery is charged, but it is a very poor service from Apple.